Hey everyone, welcome back. I've eliminated the hinged doorway bridge that's plagued the railroad with problems ever since its installation many years ago, probably 8-9 years. I've installed a lift bridge. The bridge is operated by a 12-volt actuator on either side of the bridge. Got those in last week and finally got them installed and adjusted. Took a little time to get to it, but now we have the bridge going across the doorway. It's not hinged anymore. It rises, so you can duck under it. It's all operated by this switch I mounted into the frame here. Take it up. The bridge starts rising. They go up evenly together on both sides to give you access underneath. Takes about 45 seconds or so to get all the way up to the top, and then it stops and cuts off by itself. Took me a while to figure out how to get the actuators to work properly. But they seem to be fine, and they seem to run consistently, adjusting with no adjustment needed, hitting the top and bottom stops built into it. They do power themselves off as they get to the top of the cycle or the bottom of the cycle, and it gives us clearance to get underneath through the doorway bridge without any alignment issues. Everything is powered by a gotta be 40-year-old Tyco power pack from an old train set I've been dragging around for these many years. So as we see, the bridge is now high enough up to the bottom of the second level to let anybody access. And then to come down, you can just flip the switch down and the whole process reverses. The switch is available to somebody coming in and or out, so it's easily accessed for egress into and out of the railroad. So it took me some time to get it to line up. Kind of plain Jane right now. We're in the prototype phase here. We're gonna have a session later in the week, and we'll give it a good workout, thorough workout then, and we'll see how it works out. And then I'll dress it up a little bit, paint it maybe, put some bridge decking material or something like that. It is very sturdy here at the joint. I've screwed it in, as you can see, so it's very tight versus the wobbliness we had on the foam, and it seems to work every time. The cars go over nice and easy. A little bit of, a very slight bump, but nothing that can't be tolerated. So there you go. So here we're at Milepost 78.0 at the bridge. Hope you get a chance to stop by and check it out. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.